all in love. We're not supposed to fall in love with these stocks. We're all in love with this one stock. What is it? It starts with an N. You better believe it. That is. She's like her soulmate. I'm like my soulmate too. The people who own the stock, they're like, yes, yes. Strong J, yes, higher. It's going higher. The wealthy investor approach to the stock market says several things. A, we always buy stocks that are in strong upward trend. Does everybody see where it says 52-week range? In fact, the word look is there. Not really trick you, just show you. I see a lot of people online trying to buy stocks that they think are at a bottom. So what I teach people is how to follow the long-term trend, which is a 5-year chart, and the short-term trend on the stock, which is a 3-month chart. Generally, if those two trends are flowing in an upward direction together, the reason is the company is making more money. And we call that top-line revenue. As long as the stock is what? Overall, upward trending on the 5-year chart and on the 3-month chart. If those trends are all heading upward, this trend will continue. So you cannot be afraid when you're trading. You're just going to look for where the money is according to the methodology that I'm going to teach you. So the wealthy investor approach to the stock market is about choosing stocks that are in a long trend, a short trend. Now, if the revenue's there to support the stock price going higher, you're going to make money in the stock market. The other thing that you have to decide is, do you want to trade this stock and jump in and out? Or do you want to hold it for the long term and do what we call build a position on the stock? Do you have to listen to me in class? It would really help. Those two ideas will help you earn thousands and thousands of dollars in the stock market for life. One stock at home. I'm Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I approve this message.